Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to add custom code to Webflow. So what you're going to have to do is simply click on add, and then here you're going to have to simply scroll and then simply click on embed. And as you can see, in order to add custom code, you're going to need to have a paid plan. So as you can see here in this video, you can see how this works. So you're going to have to simply upgrade. So if I click on it, as you can see, I'm going to have to simply upgrade to paid plan. So as you can see, you have here the basic one, which is $18, the CMS one, which is $29, and then you have the business one, which is $49 per month. And then here you can simply see the different options that you have. So let's say, so if you want to upgrade to basic, you're gonna have to simply scroll down, and as you can see, you have custom code available. So you're gonna have to upgrade to this one here, and then you can simply drag and drop the embed the here button, and then you can add your custom code. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.